Welcome to day 3 of our sneak peeks for our August release. Today I'm sharing the Paper Pad Club of the month along with the Stamp and Die of the month. I'm also going to share the last stamp set that's in the box of the month. Teresa was on the YouTube channel yesterday sharing the Adventure Awaits stamp set. Teresa was on the YouTube channel yesterday sharing the Adventure Awaits stamp set with the Outdoor Adventures collection. So what a beautiful paper pad and coordinating ephemera. If you missed that, go back to yesterday's video. And the last stamp set in the box of the month is called Wanderlust Adventures. I really like this set. So this set is like mostly solid stamping. So you can make a beautiful sunset background and then stamp this over the top and you're going to have a really stunning card. You can color in the parts that are white, so if you wanted to add some color you could. We've got some sentiments: stay wild, enjoy the journey, explore, dream, discover, wander often, wonder always, and are we there yet? So what a great set. So I can't wait to see your projects with that. Then we've got, for our Paper Pad Club of the month, we have sunflowers. So we have a beautiful paper pad, sunflower fields. It has gorgeous sunflower images and watercolor prints. We also have the sunflower watercolor sheets. So this coordinates perfectly with this paper pad. Let's dig into it. And if you're on our Paper Pad Club subscription and you did not opt in for the coordinating ephemera and you want to add it to your subscription, just email me and I can manually do that for you for $6.55. You do get a discount on your add-on ephemera when you join the club, so it becomes 18% off. Otherwise, you can purchase this on the website. I will have the ephemera listed individually, but you can find this collection under the Paper Pad Club subscription. You can purchase it as a one-time purchase, but when you join the club, you get 18% off. So I really love this print here with these gorgeous sunflowers. They're so beautiful. And then on the back, you get this nice watercolor gingham in green. Here's a smaller print in the brown color. And then some beautiful sunflowers on the back on a striped background. And then here's some more sunflowers on a green gingham. And then we've got some stripes, which are really pretty. They're watercolored stripes with that green and yellow. And then this is a really fun print. Looks like little water spots of watercolors. And then this is a gorgeous sheet with these beautiful big sunflowers. And then another sunflower print in a lighter yellow. On the back, we have some yellow stripes that are watercolored. And then there's that fun print in the beige yellowish color. And then more beautiful sunflowers. We had to do another sunflower paper pad. I know the not too shabby customers love the sunflower paper pads that we come out with. This one is going to match perfectly. We've got all the colors. This pad will also help break up some of the patterns, or you can use them for mats, for your layers. It's almost like working with a solid, but you get a little texture with the watercolor look. So we've got 2 different shades of yellow. And then we've got 2 different shades of green. Here's another shade of yellow, almost on the brown side. A lighter tan color and a darker brown. Here's a bright yellow and more of a lighter tone, almost on the green side. Here's like a cream color and then a lighter cream. So really, really nice. I'm going to share the coordinating ephemera. It is so cute. And then we have the stamp and die of the month. This one's called Stand Strong. Our stamp and die of the month comes on a magnetic sheet. It will cut out all the sentiments and the images. We have 3 beautiful sunflowers. The sentiments: stand strong, thankful for you, with sympathy, hello sunshine, loved and blessed. So really, really nice set. It's going to go gorgeous with the Paper Pad Club. We have a lot of customers that join both, and I like to coordinate these 2 subscriptions together so that you can use them together. Let's take a look at this gorgeous ephemera. So there is a cat and a puppy in this collection, which is so, so cute. There's a cute little puppy and the kitty surrounded by sunflowers. And then we've got so many beautiful sunflower images in here. I'm going to put a still shot so you can see everything laid out. There's bicycles, lanterns, wreaths. There's some in a teacup, which is really gorgeous. Vases, just clusters of sunflowers. There's a truck. And then these cute little images. There's a girl holding a sunflower. And then we've got 2 grandmas. Aren't they adorable? I just love those images. So cute. So I'm going to put a still shot out so you can see everything. I'm going to keep these 2 images out. I want to do a little card with these 2. That looks so cute. Looks like Grandma went to the sunflower patch and picked a sunflower. And then we can add a little sentiment. Okay, let's pick out some patterns for this card. I think I'm going to use this one. I like that one too. And then some green and yellow stripes. Let's see what's on the back. And I can use some of the prints from the back too. So we'll take those 2 out. And then I'm going to take one of the beige watercolor sheets. And I'm going to use the Easy Wonder Die number 2. An update on the Easy Wonder Dies. They will be shipping to me on August 2nd. So I expect to be shipping around August 8th, maybe sooner. And I can't wait to get these dies out to you. If you haven't pre-ordered them yet, I do have a handful left on the website before we do another pre-order, maybe in September or late August. I'll have the link in the description box for you. So this die is 1 die. It passes through. You add your 6x6 sheet of paper, you pass it through your die cutting machine, and then you get several cuts all at once. And all of the pieces you can play around and make different layouts. So this die was designed by Lind LV, handcrafted here on YouTube. I'm going to add a little bit of washi tape so my paper doesn't shift around. And then the word thanks on the die is up here. I'm going to put that towards the rollers. I find that way is the best way to get the best cut. So I'm going to do that. With one pass, I got all of these cuts ready to go. So I have this word thanks that I can use. Pop those little words out. I've got a nice stitching on all of my pieces here. This one also has a little heart stitching in the corner, which is really cute. And then these angle cuts. There are add-ons to the dies. And then the add-ons will have some mats for some of these pieces here. So I'm going to cut out some of the add-ons using this sheet here. So here are my add-on dies, and we have mats for the highlighted ones over here. So I'm going to take one of the ovals and create. I'm using a green card base today. I'm going to add my circle underneath. You can either do like this way, or you can cut this out again and put a different color in here and inlay this, or you can use the add-on and add the bigger oval over top, or have it underneath. So I'm going to do underneath. Okay, so we have a nice layout. I'm going to add the sunflower in the background, and then we're going to pop up our focal image off to the side, and then we'll have a little sentiment. I was thinking either a lot of these would work for this. Hello Sunshine, I was thinking, or blessed, or thankful for you, or stand strong. So I'm going to put thankful for you. And then I'm going to pop this one up, and I'm going to have my sentiment right here. And then I'm going to pop up the sentiment. Okay, so I got my sentiment attached. All right, so I have my sentiment attached. Let's add some enamel dots. In the Rustic Blossoms enamel pack, there's this yellow in there that matches really nicely. So I'm going to just add a few enamel dots. All right, and I think I want to put some glossy accents on her glasses. I think that's going to be really fun. All right, that will complete today's card. I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek. Meet me back tomorrow for release day, August 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. We'll have beautiful new products for you. I'll either have a video of showing everything on the 1st, or we will be doing a live crafting session. I haven't decided yet, but if we do a live, it will be at 10 a.m. Central Time. So thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.